Hey folks, got a Nissan Xterra here. It's a Pro X, I think it is. It's got a check engine light for a Evap, major Evap leak. Okay, so the first thing you normally would look at is the gas cap. It's got freezing here today, boys and girls. Right, so you think it's the gas cap. The customer had already replaced the gas cap. That's what she told me. So, you know, you normally go and you check to make sure that it's on tight. But you need to look. Look at this. Look underneath here. Let me see if I can get a flashlight I can show you. You can see a little bit right here. A little bit of the white surface there of the gas cap. I'll explain that to you in a second. Let me get a flashlight. All right, here's the flashlight. So even though it clicks on, you think it's on. Look at that. You see that? You can see the white part of the threads on the cap. So even though it looks like it's on tight, it's not making a good seal. Because the lip of the tank has to touch the rubber seal on the cap. And that's what makes it sealed. All right? Almost like a jar. All right? The jar has to go on, the cap has to go on and keep it sealed. And in most jars, if you look in the kitchen, has a little rubber seal. Right? So that's the problem here. So you can take it off. Look, it's as tight as it goes. But when you take it off, you can see, look, you can see a lot of the white, and you see how it is. You see more of the white on that side than this side. Because it seems to be going in crooked. But I'm going to show you. See? This little rubber seal here that you could push up against. Okay? That has to go and touch this little lip here. That's the whole idea of sealing it. Alright? This is supposed to go all the way down, straight. This little rubber is supposed to meet this little surface here, and it keeps the fumes from the gas tank from coming out. And the Evap is something that the manufacturers make, or they incorporate it. Where when you first start your car up, it creates a little bit of a vacuum, and it's like, and it sucks in and makes sure that it's a sealed system and you don't get any air in it. So when it does that, for the couple of seconds that it does every morning, if you got a leak over here, it's going to suck in fresh air just like that, and it's going to set off that code, and that's where your problem is going to be. All right, the same thing if you have a crack in one of the hoses and stuff like that. Any one of those leaks that would allow fresh air to go in there, and it sees that it's not a fresh system, it's going to set off that code. So the problem here is it's not going in right. Something's not right. So yeah, so you know, here in Jersey, when you go to the gas station, they throw this cap on. You know, they'll go to turn it until it clicks. They'll tell you, all right, you're good to go, and off you go. And in reality, it's not. It's going to set off that code the next time you shut it off and turn it on. All right. So this is a fairly new cap. I just went to AutoZone, bought another cap. It does the same exact thing. So if this problem is somewhere in the neck, I'll just try to figure it out. But I just want to show you that just because it's a gas cap code and you think it's a gas cap, don't think your gas cap is actually going on. Okay? Just because it clicks, don't mean it's good. All right? That's it. Gas cap lesson 101.1. Thanks for watching. Ciao. Alright folks, went to Nissan, picked up an original factory OEM gas cap. That's the part number right there, 172519CAOA. I don't know if that's an O or a 0, but anyway, show you the difference. Look at this. Okay, aftermarket one says it fits. Look at the threads there. Okay, this is the factory one, just one thread. Okay, that's a difference there, and that's going to make a difference on how it sits on the neck itself. All right, so like I said, the Evap code was a major one, meaning the gas cap. Customer said they changed the gas cap, so I ignored it altogether until I smoked it, and then the smoke was coming out of here. Watch this, folks. Goes in like that. That's it. Look at that. Nice and tight, to the point. Only one turn of the cap. Okay. Like I said, couldn't have been the neck because it's metal. All right. So that's it. This is the fix. All done. After spending hours of smoking it, looking for it, that was the problem. All right. So even though the aftermarket says that it fits, it does not always fit. All right. Thanks for watching. This one's nice too. Comes with a little tether. All right. So hopefully they won't lose it. Actually, it goes over there. It's too loose. All right. There you go. All done. Thanks for watching, folks.